YouTube, this is Andrea here, and we are doing a what's in my bag. I'm going to be switching out of this purse to a different purse. I'm going to downsize this purse here. I got this off of ioffer.com, and very pretty. Very well made. I've always loved the Alma. So it's a mini Alma. But that's what we're going to switch to. So we got some cleaning to do, right? So this is a telephone case that I put my phone in when I'm carrying this purse. This is a little fuzz ball with a bear on it. So cute. Go in the front pocket, which is an extra lighter. And there are two pockets on the sides that twist, but I'm pretty sure I'll have nothing down there. Yeah, there's nothing down there. And then there's one on this side. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, nothing down there. Alright, now we go into the bottomless pit. This is really cool the way this zips up, by the way. It zips up like a jacket. See that? So if you take this and you put it inside of here like a little, like you're doing a jacket, that's how it zips up. I really like that. It's different. So I have some prescriptions to go and get my blood work done. Let's start on this pocket. I have tissues in here, which are really nice. My cigarette case and a lighter. A receipt from Target. Let's see. This is my makeup case. And I have deodorant, lotion, lip gloss, mascara, eyeliner, and perfume. And ooh, look at that, another lighter. I don't know why I have so many dang lighters. Alright, so that's what's in there. This is a Clinique bag. I love this bag. It's so pretty. Okay. Okay, I went to Walmart to get this cat food, and it's free for 7 pounds, 7.4 pounds or smaller. And Walmart didn't have that or any other part of it. So if you get one of these, go to PetSmart. They should have it. That's a bank deposit. This is Savers, one of my favorite places to shop. It's another bank thingy. Target. Any more in here? What's this? It's also Savers. Try to get out all the receipts. Okay. Now I have, this is my little, it's like a little photo album, and you can find these at yard sales. I'm not sure if the Dollar Tree has them, but I have all of my medical cards and cards that I don't use that often in here. And I'm thinking about blinging it out, putting rhinestones all over it. We'll see. It's my wallet. It's a Dooney and Burke wallet. It's got my cards in there. I don't think I have anything in my zipper. Nope. As you can see, I don't have change at the bottom of my purse. This is my planner. Putting my appointments down when I'm out. This is my coin purse. A few little coins in there. And then on this side, I have my doctor's appointment card, a pen, and this I use for my pill holder, but it's really meant for iPhone headphones. But you hear that? That's a really good seal on that. That's why I put my pills in it. Okay, I think that's it. Let's flatten that out. This can go up here inside like that and like that, and then I'll put it away like that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I have to squish all this down into a smaller bag, and just wish me luck. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.